It's your boy, Young Equity Chris.
It's your boy, Young Equity Devin. Let's get it.
All right, today we're going to be talking about PayPal, ticker symbol PYPL. So right now, PayPal is currently trading at $286. It's actually down 5% after hours. The earnings report did come out after closing, and Devin is actually going to tell you just a very brief overview of what happened during that earnings call.
Yeah, man. So as of right now, today, 7/28/2021, they beat earnings by 2.33%, which is fair. That's really good. But they missed revenue by 0.54%. Not too bad. What's that? About $30 million they missed in revenue. I wouldn't really, about 30 million. I wouldn't discredit them on that. You know, this is a pretty fair company, valuable company here. But they did beat earnings and they missed that revenue. But let's go into their financials, right? Net income for 2020 was $4.2 billion. I mean, this company's making money, man. Total revenue, $21.45 billion for 2020. Man, that's crazy. Let's go to their balance sheet, right? So balance sheet is total assets minus your total liabilities, right? So as of right now, they have $70.38 billion in total assets, and their liabilities are sitting at $50.32 billion. I'm assuming that will be some of their servers and their infrastructure, as you mentioned, and some of their assets. Maybe they have some high value employees on there. So operating cash up, $5.85 billion. And then let's just look at their quarterly information. Quarterly for quarter one, total revenue was $6 billion, and then net income was $1.1 billion for quarter one. Solid company, solid financials. I think it's a solid buy. What are your thoughts?
Just as far as the product, right, they have Venmo, which I use from time to time. I don't like the social media aspect of Venmo. They can just get rid of that because I don't need nosy people in my business. But they have Venmo, and then also just the product is great. I mean, it's a way for you to pay for things online without revealing your credit card information with vendors. So if you're looking to buy something sketchy and you use PayPal, one, they won't have your credit card info, and two, they actually have a good customer protection program. So as long as you don't purchase it as PayPal gift, you actually purchase it in an invoice type situation. If they sell you a fake product or don't send your product, you can contest it with PayPal and get your money back within a certain time period. So also, when you're paying online, you don't have to type in all your information or your shipping address and all of that. And you can have all your credit cards on there so you can pick out, which one that you want to use with just one login. So overall, I think PayPal is a great product. I use PayPal a lot. I have 2 PayPal accounts. And it's just something I use when paying online all the time. So yeah, I'm actually gonna buy some shares in this company.
Yeah, it's a solid company. I use it all the time as well, especially like if you're hopping in an Uber or something like that.
Yep.
It's quicker. It's a quicker payment method, and like you said, they have all your information on there. Say for instance, you're on Nike.com, right? And you can't you can't do all that. You got your card, maybe it's upstairs, you all the way downstairs or whatever, and so you got the PayPal app, right? It's easy. You just log in. Everything's associated with that. It's gonna make it easier for you to pay for those sneakers that you want. So I definitely use it. There was one time though where I sent some money to some type of website or whatever, and it ended up being a scam. This is probably back in like 2013. I did get the money back because, as you said, if it was a service, then you can get the money back. But if it was a gift, you don't. But anyway, very good service. I use it. It does come across as kind of sketchy from time to time, but it's a faster payment method. Venmo, on the other hand, I do kind of like the aspect where you can see what your buddies are doing or whatever. You got the drinks or whatever, you know what I'm saying? Rent. I mean, it just depends on what you want to do. They do have that private option if you want to, hide what you got going on. But otherwise, it's a cool invention. But I use Zelle as well. So
okay. So I think overall, my take on it is buy the dip. It's down 5%. It may even drop even further by the time that this video comes out. I say buy the dip. If you can get this around $260 a share, that's golden.
Yeah, for sure. I mean, it's one of those safe plays. It's definitely going to make about 7 to 15% every single year for you. It's a long-term play, so if you're involved in that, you don't want anything that's going to probably run up 100%. Then definitely buy the stock. It's a solid stock, solid product, solid financials there. I say buy it at the current price it is now.
But again, you don't have to listen to anything I say because I'm not a financial advisor.
And I'm not an expert.
Thank you guys for tuning in. It's Young Equity Chris signing out.
And it's your boy Young Equity Devin. Let's get it.
Yes, sir.